What's going on, guys? In the previous tutorial we had started the arrays, and with the array of integers and some definitions we have seen one-dimensional array and two-dimensional arrays. uh, Today let's focus on the array of characters and strings. So let's start. We are gonna start the array of chars first, then array of strings. Std h. Okay, main function. Okay, array of characters, they are quite simple and you can think them as one-dimensional array. So the type is char. Let's say letters. It can be letters, and array to indicate it's an array. Okay, that's enough, I guess. So let's try to reach the first element. Since these are characters, we are indicating with C. Okay, letters, first element. Okay, again they are starting from the index 0, 1, 2. I expect to see A. Okay, the 2 must be C. Okay, after then let's change the third element as D. For that we can do we are assigning new value. Okay, after then let's print again. Okay, before changing the third element it was C, after that it is D. I would like to mention something that you have to use single quotes. Okay, it doesn't accept, if it's character it doesn't accept double quotes. So okay, again let's try to reach the third element. It doesn't accept double quotes. Okay, if it is character it doesn't accept, but for strings we have to use double quotes. Let me chars don't accept okay, this is the array of chars. So let's focus on the array of strings. Okay, again it will be in the type of char, but it would be like two-dimensional. Let's say animals. Okay, we have to, if you see the error here, we have to specify the number of rows. For example, you can think this as, let me show you, first row, two rows. This is the first row, second row, and this is the first column, second column, and third column. So you need to think this is as two-dimensional array. Okay, so we have to specify the most number of uh, number of rows. For example, 1 2 3 4 8. Okay, elephant is 8-letter words. If I say 7, it won't accept. As you can see, it is still giving error. But if I say 8, yeah, it disappeared. For convenience, you can say 10. You should give the max, uh, the value bigger than these, okay, or at least equal to or greater. So you can also specify the number of rows. If I say 1, yeah, it is given error because we have 2 rows. But you don't have to specify this, but you have to specify the number of or columns. Okay, after then, if you would like to reach, let's say, dog, it's quite simple. This time this is string, S for the strings, animals. Okay, the first row, just you can say give me the first row. This is the first row. You can think as this is the first row. You are saying give me the first row, but you don't forget, for strings you have to use, yeah, we are using double quotes. Dog, the second row, you don't have second row because it's 0 1. Okay, elephant. So let's again try to change one of the elements. Can we say the first element, I want to assign new value for the first element? We cannot say, apparently. For the strings, you cannot directly say, okay, I wanna assign new value to the first element. For that, we need to use string library. Okay, string copy function we have here. String.h. In this library, we have string copy function. Let me show you how it. Let me show you how it works. Okay, the place where you would like to change, you will make the change, then the value you would like to give. Let's say the now instead of dog, let's say it is wolf anymore, and let's print. I'm gonna comment this. The first one is 0. Okay, now I expect to see wolf instead of dog. Okay, as you can see, everything looks normal and no error. So this is the array of strings and characters. These are a little harder than in Python or JavaScript. It's because the C language is more close to hardware language. Okay, so closer to machine language. So it is a little harder, but it is good to know, and we might need this. This is how array of chars and strings work in C language. I hope it was helpful. That's it for this video. Have a good day and take care.